Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to delete your saved videos on TikTok. Alright, we have two ways for this, and the first way is go to your profile, tap on the save icon for your videos, go to a video that you want to remove, and then tap on the yellow saved icon to remove this video. Now it got removed. If I go back, the video is gone. And this is the first way how to do this. Alright, now we can also do it on another way, and that is asking TikTok to remove all your saved videos. You can do that very simple by going to the three lines right in the top, settings and privacy, scroll down to report a problem, tap on account and profile, tap on profile page, then do other, tap on no, and then do need more help. And then you can fill in just the information that you need, like I want to delete all my saved messages, and then TikTok will try to help you out with this. Alright, this is how it works. These are the two ways to do this. If you find this helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And for now, thanks for watching.